how we can teach cohesion. Let's look at this and we will see some example of a text which is very well coherently presented, right? Teaching cohesion requires a lot of effort on the part of the writers, and there are various linguistic choices which we will have to make, which actually glue the text together, which bring about a sense of coherence to the text, cohesion to the text. In this regard, it's important to mention that we can teach our students that the use of lexical repetition is not a problem. Rather, it gives cohesion to the text. And then we can train them, use some collocation, some chain of words within the same lexical set. For example, we can, the lexical set, we can water, waves, sea, or tide. So there can be a range of words which we can use of same word more than once by inclusion, as I have shown you this example. Now let's look at this example of cohesion. This example will clearly show you how the writer has brought about cohesion in the text. In this example, as the title indicates, people in their 50s and 60s feel pressure to work on. I've just brought this example for your convenience. Let's read this example together. Growing pressure on people in their 50s and 60s to stay in paid work is said to divert grandparents from helping their working daughters and sons with child care, according to a report from Joseph Rowntree Foundation. Look, in this people, old people, then the use of grandparents, then the sons, and then child care. So these are words of the same lexical set. It found a shortage of young people, again compared with that of the old people. Confirmed by the national census on Monday, would make employers do their utmost to retain older staff. This would shrink the number of retired people, again very much closely linked with that of the old people who were able to care for their grandchildren. Repetition, lexical repetition, or frail older relatives. Again, frail older relatives is lexical repetition, said researchers. After a survey of more than 1,000 employees over 50 and recently retired locally staff, they identified a pivot generation of people combining work and care roles. 2/3 of people between 50 and retirement were in paid employment. 1/3 had grandchildren by the age of 50 and 60s. Nearly half the local authority staff had some caring responsibility. 1 in 3 looked after an elderly relative or friend. 1 in 6 provided care for a grandchild, and 1 in 10 did both. So you may have noticed in this example that lexical cohesion has been achieved by 2 devices, which is the repetition of words. For example, grandparents 2 times, then grandchildren 2 times, and then people 5 times. And then this is how we can train our students that repetition, lexical repetition, is not a problem. Rather, it adds cohesion to the text. So we can train them how to think of words in the same topic area, like as in this example, sons, daughters, grandparents, and children can help bring about cohesion in the text.